everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can get your Amazon promo code. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you want to do is launch any kind of search engine. Here I'm going to use Google. Then tap on your search bar and then start typing Amazon promo code. After you have typed in Amazon promo code, tap on the search button that you see on your keyboard. And here you can see there are a lot of websites that provides Amazon promo code. You can get your Amazon promo code from any of these websites, but I am going to recommend you guys Coupon Follow because it is a legit website. So simply just tap on it. And here you can see there are a lot of coupons that you can redeem. Simply just tap on the coupon that you want. Here I'm going to use this 70% off. So simply just tap on it. And there you can see the code. Simply just tap on the copy button and copy the code in order to use on your Amazon while shopping. And now you have successfully copied the code. You can even redeem this promo code directly at Amazon right now by simply just tapping on this button, redeem at Amazon. As you can see, when I tap on this button, this will now straight take me to the official website of Amazon.com. Simply just sign in and redeem this code right now. And with this, you can save up to 70% off. Very simple and easy process, right? I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.